Hey guys, so in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the Deebot T30C by Ecovacs and what are the things to be aware of if you want to actually acquire it. So very great thing about the product is actually the 20,000 PA suction with strong airflow. So this is something very good, and you get also Zero Tango 3.0 tech. But what are the reasons why you shouldn't also get it? So yes, you get multi-floor mapping, smart detection, but you get cleaning solutions sold separately. You need to purchase the digital refills. This is something to very important thing to be aware of. So the cleaning solution, and also with kind of the dust bags that you see here, and also healthier accessory. So that's something to be aware of if you want to actually get it. Also, the manual dustbin emptying is still required, so the 3-liter station bin eventually needs to be emptied by hand. Something to be aware of, but of course that's understandable. Also, mop pads needs replacement too. So also you must physically carry the robot between the floors, and is not going to get to the different floors. So that's something to be aware of. But still, it's good product. I'm not saying it's bad, but here are the important things. Primarily, be aware about the accessories. I wanted to share with you straight to the point, and for the price point, it's not bad at all. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and yeah. And have a great day and goodbye.